everyone, and welcome back to NavYugKids School Assembly News. Today is 1st July 2026, and here are the top headlines for the day. Let's begin with the national news.
National news. The central government has lifted temporary restrictions on petrol and diesel sales across India from today, following an improvement in fuel supplies and the restoration of normal distribution. The VB-GRAMG Act has replaced MGNREGA from today, guaranteeing 125 days of work per rural household and introducing digital attendance systems.
International news. The US is preparing to celebrate the 250th anniversary of its independence on 4 July 2026 with events and programs across the country. The Ghana Education Service has been directed to introduce a daily anti-drug awareness message during school morning assemblies.
Karnataka state news. Karnataka is expected to experience active monsoon conditions, with heavy rainfall likely in Dakshina Kannada, Udupi and Uttara Kannada districts.
Sports news. The highly anticipated 5-match T20I series between India and England begins tonight, with the first match to be played in Chester-le Street, England.
Thought of the day. Never let the fear of striking out keep you from playing the game. Babe Ruth. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Jai Hind.